So hello all the viewers of mine, and good evening to you all. And this is the news from our own country, India, because after 2011, the population census will be held in our country. And what is this population census includes? The census includes your age, your gender, your religion, and all those things which is uh, what you call a basic thing that would be noted so that there would be any data in which it should be named as that this person is of our country. And this population census will be done in two phases. In first phase, our housing and electricity, internet, water supply, our income, all these things were noted by those people who came to our house, who will those will go to each and every house of our country. And in second phase, our name, our nationality, our place and date of birth, our marital status, all etc etc, all those things were written by those employees who were hired by government. Those are government officials, and through which and also this data which they will carry, this data will be filled digitally. And you can also tell your data on the internet by filling any form on Google. And second, which is after population consensus, simultaneously after 1931, the caste census will be done in our country, because before government, the earlier government like Manmohan Singh government or UPA government or the PP Narasimha government, those whoever government after 1947 thinks that if will be any caste census, then it would be work as a divide in our country. But now government realizes that caste census is inevitable for all of us in order to give benefits to those who are really backward still in our country. Because in our country, till now yet, we government gave subsidies to 80 crore people. They are no you cannot call him as a poor, because they didn't have food to eat, so they are very vulnerable. So by looking all of these, until now yet, you think that why government these reservations, government these gave these reservations on the basis of speculations that there might be something, like there might be something, because there are several officials who guesstimate by them or forecast by them that by giving these reservations to this caste, there will be that caste peoples will come into society, they will earn respect, they will earn money, and they have a good status in society. So after 1931, there will be a caste census in our country. And after population consensus, the process of delimitation will be done in our country, which is opposed by the southern which is opposed by our southern state like Tamil Nadu. The government of MK Stalin fervently opposed the process of delimitation, because in South India, like states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, there is a the population what I call ratio or something else, which must be it is an ideal called, it is at 2.1. There would be must of fertility rate of 2.1. And in the Tamil Nadu or Kerala, in Andhra Pradesh, in these states, the fertility rate is less than 2.1. And it is not any coincidence, or there is a lack of something, sex ratio. The government has provide good education, so people will be educated, and they think that to control population, and government started so many incentives, so that led to thriving of that states. And if you compare those North Indian states like Bihar or Uttar Pradesh and with Tamil Nadu, there will be so much development in Tamil Nadu as in comparison with Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar is not in comparison to Tamil Nadu or any southern states. So MK Stalin government fervently opposed this delimitation, because this they give an argument, which is a rational argument, that when delimitation will happen, then the seats of Tamil Nadu's states because when delimitation happens, it is happened in both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So in Lok Sabha, in Rajya Sabha, there will be the seats of southern states will be decreased, and that led to if a government, if someone want to form a government in the center, then they need one solely on the Uttar Pradesh or in Bihar and all those northern states to be in supremacy. They didn't need to be supreme in Tamil Nadu or in southern states. So the Tamil Nadu government said that this would be injustice for the southern states of our country. And now the Modi government said to all these arguments or critics that they will not decrease the seats of southern states. But let's look what will happen. And as Narendra Modi said, the population census will be soon be held, perhaps by ending of this year, or it is either perhaps yes, ending of this year, in the states of Jammu Kashmir and Uttarakhand. The population census will start. So let's look what will happen. If there is any recent news, I'll be there for you. Thank you very much.